Okay, I'm in the trailer today. It's September 15th, Saturday. Taking some more roof out, got some time. Okay, here's the metal framing we got up here. It looks like it's pretty good. Nope, oh, styrofoam. That's styrofoam. Ugh, God. It's not heavy, right? Should I stay on this side to get this side down? Oh, wait, that's out light. It's got a power cord in there. Power cord in the oh, it's taped to it. Okay, it's coming. It comes. Now it's off the dark, right? Turn the light on for you. Okay, here we go. This is styrofoam with, I guess, wall paneling attached to it. They cut a groove in the, see it? It's a groove in the styrofoam. This is coming across. Do you think all the power wires come that way? This is a piece of wood that's up on the roof. It's not part of the ceiling. Oh, here's that antenna. This thing is useless. Let me put a. I don't like it's well, they just stock, but it's filled with garbage. It's all friggin' wet. This is the piece I put in here to try to get an angle, you know what I mean? So it's not flat. According to that, it looks like this stuff here is by default flat. Flattens the roof. Same there. That's messed up. That's got holes in it too. I'm gonna freaking support that by friggin' wood, I guess. Okay. Give you an idea what it looks like. It's soaked. I wonder if it's aluminum or steel. I don't know. Okay, up to metal and a lot of this thing now. Like, this isn't like rust, it's a big light here. It's like, it's glue, I guess. It holds the, this is wood here, the styrofoam up. I don't know, that aluminum, it's pretty shiny. What a mess I made. This is all crap in the ceiling. There's power running to, there's a light back there, here it is, running through the hole, but there's also green and yellow, maybe going to a switch. And it comes up front, comes back this way again. I guess if you want to hook something up here, the wires are there to do that. And I don't know why it's running over there. The power source, everything comes from that breaker box back underneath there. Ooh, what a project this is turning into.